Good day everyone, I am Joe Purbu Dawan, and in this video, I will be discussing about quarks and leptons, which are building blocks of modern physics. Now,
What are quarks? Quarks are fundamental particles that make up hadrons such as protons and neutrons, which form the nuclei of atoms. Understanding of the structure of the atom has been a huge focus of a scientific research. In 1964, Murray Gell-Mann and George Zweig suggested that the most of the known particles at the time could be explained as being combination of three fundamental particles. There were two basic quarks. The up quark has a charge of positive 2 over 3 of the charge of an electron. The down quark, which has a charge of negative 1 over 3. The proton was found to be made up of 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. Now we know the charge of a proton is positive 1. If we were to look at this in terms of the fractional charges given to quarks, one up quark would have a charge of positive 2 over 3. So therefore, 2 up quarks would have an overall charge of positive 4 over 3. Adding a down quark reduces the overall charge to 3 over 3, which is the equivalent of 1. A neutron was found to consist of 2 down quarks and 1 up quark, which give an overall charge 0. There are 6 types of quarks. The up and down quarks, followed by strange quark, charm quark, top quark, and bottom quark.
in particle physics, quarks do not exist freely in nature. Instead, they combine to form larger particles called hadrons, which are bound together by the strong nuclear force. Hadrons are divided into two main categories, byrons and mesons. Byron is composed of 3 quarks while meson is composed of 1 quark and 1 antiquark. Now, let's move on to a lepton.
So what are leptons? Lepton is a fundamental particle that exists freely and does not experience the strong nuclear force. The positively charged center of the atom is usually described as being surrounded by a cloud of electrons. That's because, just like in a cloud, it's hard to see and know where exactly an atom electron is. But we can guess where it probably is. It will probably be flying around the nucleus somewhere. Electrons are kind of like quarks. We're not sure if there's anything inside them. They are a type of particle called leptons, which have exactly negative 1 or 0 charge, unlike the partial charge of quarks. There are 6 types of leptons, and the most common and well-known is the electron. With a negative 1 charge, larger version of electrons are muon and tau. The other 3 leptons have 0 charge called neutrinos, which are so small, 1 millionth the size of a tiny electron. Moreover, electrons are the main reason for a lot of what happens in chemistry and science, yet the 5 of the leptons are either rare or don't have much effect. Electrons play a big role in letting atoms stick together, and having extra electrons or not enough is what makes magnets work. In conclusion, quarks made up the nucleus of an atom, leptons make up the electrons of an atom.
Now, let's have a sample problem about quarks and leptons. First, we have the quarks.
A particle is composed of 1 up quark, 1 down quark, and 1 strange quark. Identify the part whether the particle is a byron or meson. Calculate the total electric charge of the particle. These are the given quarks charges on the table, including up, down, strange quark. The formula that being used here is the total electric charge, which is Q total is equals to summation of Q quark. Our step-by-step solution here is first identify the particle type. As what I said earlier, that byron is made up of 3 quarks while meson is made up of 1 quark and 1 antiquark. The particle contains 3 quarks, so it is a byron. Calculate the total electric charge. Substitute its charges of the given quarks and arrange them. Once you've done substituting, let's simplify it and calculate. Now, you will have the result, which is 0. Therefore, the particle type is a byron. Total electric charge is 0. Let's move on to the lepton. An atom has 2 electrons, 1 muon, and 1 tau particle. Calculate the total electric charge of these leptons. Identify which of these are charged leptons and which are neutral. These are the given leptons charged on this table, including electron, muon, tau, and neutrinos. Now, the formula that being used here is also the same as the quark formula. Q total is equals to summation of Q leptons.
Our step-by-step solution here is step 1, sum the charges. Substitute each particle's charges and arrange them accordingly. Now, once you've done substituting, let's calculate it. And we have the total of negative 4e. Now, our step 2, identify charge and neutral leptons. Our charged leptons here are the electrons, muon, tau, all 4 particles in this problem. Our neutral leptons here is none are included here. Therefore, total electric charge is negative 4e, while charged leptons is equals to 2 electrons, 1 muon, and 1 tau. Our neutral leptons none included. So that would be all. Thank you.